Hi friends, today I have brought a wonderful project for you. The project name is ATS Destinare and it lies in Sector 1 Greater Noida West. So let's see its sample flat. Friends, this is a 4 BHK flat with servant room having an area of 2550 square feet. There is a long foyer while you enter into this apartment, and here is your spacious living room. It has an attached balcony which is a long running balcony. Now let's see this. This is a huge green belt which will be maintained by ATS and used by ATS occupants only. And ahead of that there are Gore Mulberry Mansions, which are the biggest properties in entire Greater Noida West. Now this is your dining cum family lounge. As you can see, this is also a huge place which will be a boon for your family. We have a attached balcony with this family lounge as well, which will be on the other side. This flat is two side open, one side is outside, one side is inside. This is your kitchen. Now this is empty, but developer will provide modular kitchen for you. This is a utility balcony which is attached to the servant room with toilet. Servant room has access from the lift lobby as well. This is the first bedroom and the master bedroom of this flat. It comes with wooden flooring. It has a running balcony which is connected with living room as well. This is a wardrobe area and this is a master toilet. This is the second bedroom and this is a personal balcony. This is your cupboard area and this is your toilet. Now there is no wash basin, but at the time of delivery you will definitely get it. This is the third bedroom of this flat and a nice divan is also placed over here. It has a personal balcony as well. This is your wardrobe area and this is your toilet. Now finally, this is the fourth and the last bedroom of this flat. It is also a spacious room. It is connected to the main running balcony of this flat. This is a wooden flooring in this room as well. And here is your toilet. ATS Destinaire is a premium low density luxury residential apartment project of the renowned ATS Group located in Sector 1 Greater Noida West. It's a 8.25 acres land in 2 phases, 14 towers, 736 units, 3 BHK and 4 BHK types, designed by Hafiz Contractor. It is the only project in Greater Noida West having only 2 flats per floor. It is surrounded by rich greenery. It is situated on a 3-side open plot, 4 acres of green landscape and 6 acres of adjoining green belt, which will be managed by ATS and used by ATS residents only. So in a 8-acre project, you will get 10 acres of greenery. Isn't it amazing? Spacious and sunny apartments, multi-purpose sports ground makes it friendly for kids. Clubhouse will have dining and banqueting facilities, Olympic-sized swimming pool, card room, yoga room, amphitheater, kids play area, squash court, billiards and pool room, multi-purpose hall, TT room, basketball court, lawn tennis court. It's a 5-minute drive from Sector 76 metro station. It is well connected with Central Noida and FNG Expressway. It is nearby malls, offices, 5-star hotels, high-class educational institutes. There are only 2 sizes. 3 BHK 1900 square feet will cost you 1.19 CR basic. 4 BHK 2550 square feet will cost you 1.59 CR basic. Now let's talk about my understanding of this project, how I see this project. See, this is totally a my type of project. I want to have a top branded house. इंडिया में लोग गाड़ी और घर से ही आपकी वैल्यू करते हैं. It is in our society, it is in our blood. You can't escape it. So why not? I would also like to have a top branded house for my family. Secondly, I like to have a bigger size. So बार बार घर खरीदने बेचने का झंझट ना हो. घर खरीदना is a pain. You know that. पहले तो घर पसंद नहीं आता, जो पसंद आता है वो बजट में नहीं होता, रेडी टू मूव में कुछ अच्छा नहीं मिलता, अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन में रिस्क लगता है, बैंक लोन की कंडीशंस बहुत टफ होती हैं. अब इतना झंझट करके कोई फ्लैट बुक कराओ और वो टाइम से पोजीशन में मिल जाए, फिर उसमें इंटीरियर कराओ, बहुत टाइम लगता है, बहुत एनर्जी लगती है, बहुत एफर्ट करना पड़ता है, बहुत सारा पेशेंस रखना पड़ता है. और लाइफ में इसके घर के अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, बच्चों की एजुकेशन है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. सो मैं ये झंझट बार बार नहीं करना चाहूँगा. मैं एक ही बार घर खरीदना पसंद करूँगा और मैं बड़ा घर लूँगा. एंड फाइनली थर्ड जो रीज़न है मेरा इस घर को पसंद करने का, आई वॉन्ट प्राइसेस टू बी स्लाइटली ईजी ऑन माई पॉकेट. बिकॉज सेम साइज़ अगर मैं पास ही में सेंट्रल नोएडा में लेने जाऊँगा तो मुझे 2.5 से 3 करोड़ तक पड़ेगा. बिकॉज 9 से 10 हज़ार रुपये तो बेसिक प्राइस है वहाँ पे. यहाँ मुझे 6,000 में प्रॉपर्टी मिल रही है और इतनी लग्जरी नहीं मिलेगी जितना कि ATS डेस्टिनायर है. बिकॉज सेंट्रल नोएडा की डेंसिटी यहाँ से बहुत हाई है. इतने में तो वहाँ पे 2 से 3 गुना फ्लैट्स बन रहे होंगे, जिससे कि सोसाइटी काफ़ी क्राउडेड हो जाएगी. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली गो विद ATS डेस्टिनायर. So friends, if you want to come for a site visit or book an apartment in ATS Destinaire, then do contact me on my given number. Me and my team will be glad to help you. And finally, if you like this video, then please like the video and subscribe my channel to see the next hot project in Noida. Goodbye guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.